My name's Jerry Smith. I live in the suburbs. I'm only here because I have a certain power I wanted to kind of celebrate before it goes away. Just watch! Huh? Oh, help! Help! Hey, babe!
Jerry, are you in the air?
Get away! Sorry, this lady at the store is trying to peck me.
Jerry, I'll tell you what.
Whoa,
Because it's Christmas, I'm gonna do you a favor. I won't let you die.
Merry Christmas, bitch! I am the Jesus Christ of Christmas! One Diet Sprite remix, please. And, is anyone here an Uber driver?
You can't bring that boulder in here.
Well, it's kind of a service boulder. Okay.
What the fuck? Stop doing
I
that!
told you this would happen.
Stop floating!
I can't control it!
Whoa, feel that turbulence?
Nope, I'm on Molly.
Give me some.